Welcome back. Continuing the news. A trial date has been set for the matter against a Clarkstown woman who was jailed for her alleged boisterous behavior after attempting to report an assault incident involving her 7-year-old son. Patricia Campbell appeared before the Clarkstown Parish Court today to answer to charges of disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. TVJ's Lanagay Franklin was in court and filed this report.
When the matter appeared before Parish Judge Paula Archer Hall, the court was told that on Friday, November 3, about 1:50 p.m., District Constable Shaw said he received a telephone call from a female who hurled several expletives at him while making reference to her child being harassed at school. The police officer said, when asked who was this, the female replied, "A pat-pat." The court was further told that shortly after the telephone call, the female arrived at the Clarkstown police station. Allegations are that Miss Campbell was warned for prosecution but ignored the warning and accused the officers of being thieves and scammers when leaving the station. It's further alleged that about 20 minutes later, Miss Campbell returned and asked to speak with Woman Sergeant Jervis. The prosecution argues that Miss Campbell's disorderly behavior continued, and when an attempt was made to arrest her, she resisted.
The court was told by the prosecutors that the matter is ready, and as such there should be no difficulty on the 2nd of February. I should be served the documents anytime between now and 4 p.m. this afternoon. And those are the statements in the matter. We will see what happens from there. The prosecution had asked that the matter be transferred forthwith to the Petition Court. I've asked that same remain in the Parish Court until the 2nd of February. We decide where it goes from there after having made of disclosure.
Meantime, several supporters, including PNP Councillor for the Trafalgar Division in South East St Andrew, Kari Douglas, and Trelawney Justice of the Peace, Claudette Rickers, were present today.
Part of my experience having visited the home and having visited the family is that she's really one of those Jamaicans, like many other single mothers, who is living in abject poverty, and for which I don't think sufficient intervention has been made by the authorities, the state, by political persons who are aligned to political organizations. In fact, she has informed me that I'm the only person politically aligned who has reached out to her, and that is a cause of concern for me.
Pat is somebody who has been lost in the system. So because of her background, she's condemned by society and the people around her. We cannot allow people like these to go and to fade away in the background, to be abused by people who are supposed to be protecting them. And I'm saying that I am standing out now. I did a lot of network, social media, and the support is there.
Mr. McCurdy, who is representing Miss Campbell, said the trial date is set for February 2 next year. Lanagay Franklin, TVJ News.